Hello and welcome. I am Dhavalkumar Surti. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this specific channel, I share a lot of information about pharmaceutical industry, especially with respect to injectable manufacturing. And in this specific video, I will talk about the current inspection methodology from the various regulators like FDA, MHRA. So currently, what are the most most probable reasons for getting an observation is about the inadequate investigation. So in our manufacturing process, in our testing process, there is high probability that we can encounter with the incidents. And with respect to current environment, current scenario, that there is a in-depth review, in-depth analysis by the inspectors about our procedures, our practices. There are a lot of chances that we have a more number of incidents. So with increase in the number of incidents, what happens that the investigation quality goes down. So what happens, we have lot many incidents per day and it is not getting investigated in depth. There are various reasons, many reasons for it, but ultimately what happens that it leads to inadequate investigation. So inadequate investigation, if you are not doing the investigation from the day one, if you are not involving all the required cross-functional expertise for the investigation, if you are starting your investigation because just you have to close it on a due date, then what will happen? It will result into an improper investigation. You are not going to the depth of the things, you are not evaluating all possible factors in your investigation, and it will lead to improper investigation, superficial investigation. And if you are doing a superficial investigation, you will not get the actual root cause. And what is the disadvantage of not getting the actual root cause? You will define a kappa which are not solving the problem. You will just define some superficial kappa like revising a SOP or putting some giving some training or making some correction in your protocol, in your batch record, but it is not going to solve the problem as a whole if you don't know the actual root cause. So there are sequence of cycle. You do investigation improperly, you derive to a superficial root cause, and you define your kappa based on that superficial root cause. So what will happen? You are not solving the actual problem by implementing that kappa. The problem remains there, and after some time you will have the same problem again, same incident again. So it will indicate that your previous investigation was inadequate, the kappa was inappropriate. It will again, we have to go into the depth, again we have to do the same process. And this, in the terms of regulatory inspectors, in the view of regulatory inspectors, indicates that our investigation methodology is inadequate and they lose trust on our procedure and practices. So this is the highest or most common reason for the FDA observation about inadequate investigation. So to meet the current expectation, it is very crucial that first we have to prevent the incident, and if there is an incident, it has to be investigated very thoroughly. Hope this short video is helpful to make you understand about the importance of incident investigation with respect to the regulatory requirements from the point of view of the regulatory inspectors. Thank you very much for watching my video.